Want to try some creative baking this Halloween? Ooh, spooky! It's a brain faulty line cake. That's right. All you need is some fondant icing. Get creative. Roll them into long thin sausage shapes and then put them aside. Meanwhile, get your cake. We're using chocolate, but use whatever you like. Layer it with buttercream icing, as we love to do. We are using black buttercream icing because it's going to make the brains stand out even more. Use a piping bag for ease to just cover the entire cake and then smooth it over. Ready to add on your curled up fondant icing sausages. So they look kind of like pieces of brain. Paint on some red coloured gelatin. And then add some more black buttercream icing around the edges. Now you're going to drizzle on some red chocolate ganache. And stick in your knife. A bit more chocolate ganache around the edges of the knife. And there you go, an oozy, bloody, brain-filled chocolate cake. So, fancy a bit of brain?